Trump's tariffs are on the edge of collapse after a Supreme Court hearing that signaled they could be gone for good. And if the tariffs get overturned, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says the U.S. could be on the hook for roughly $1 trillion in refunds to companies that paid them. Since April alone, Washington has pulled in about $150 billion, averaging $30 billion a month in tariff collections. Inside the courtroom, government attorney Dean John Sauer tried to defend the sweeping reciprocal tariffs, saying they weren't taxes meant to raise revenue, but tools to regulate trade under emergency powers. But the court didn't buy it. Justice Neil Gorsuch warned that giving the president this much power could permanently tilt the balance of government, shifting control of trade policy from Congress to the White House. Chief Justice John Roberts pressed even harder, questioning why the administration didn't simply halt trade entirely instead of slapping on tariffs if the goal was to manage imports. Right now, the chances of the Supreme Court keeping the sweeping reciprocal tariffs in place have dropped to just 25% after the hearing. The decision isn't expected until sometime between February and June 2026, but the financial stakes are already enormous. If this ruling goes against the government, it could reshape how trade power works in America and mark the biggest Supreme Court rebuke of presidential authority in decades. Hit that follow button and stay ahead of whatever the markets throw at us. We'll always be one step ahead.